In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine PowerPoint presentation files, whether you're working on a big project, collaborating with others, or just trying to keep your work organized. Merging different presentations into one can save you lots of time and effort. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to make sure you get everything right the first time. To begin, ensure you have PowerPoint open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch it. Once you have your PowerPoint application open, you'll want to navigate to the specific presentation that you'll be working on for this process. This will be the main file into which you'll be incorporating slides from another presentation. Once you're in the right presentation, look towards the top of your window. Up here you should see a series of tabs. Your next task is to click on the Insert tab. This tab allows you to add various elements to your slides such as images, charts, and more importantly for us today, other slides. With the Insert tab open, you'll now focus your attention on the left side panel. Here you'll see the option for New Slide. However, instead of just clicking on it, you want to make sure to click on the drop down arrow next to it. This will reveal a set of additional options that are incredibly useful. From the options that appear, look towards the bottom for Reuse Slides and click on that. By doing so, you'll open up a new panel on the right side of your screen, providing a range of new possibilities. This is where you'll select the option to open a PowerPoint file. Once you've initiated the process of opening a new file, the next step involves browsing through your computer. Go through your file directories to locate the PowerPoint presentation from which you want to import slides. Take your time to find the correct file, as pinpointing the right presentation is crucial for accurately merging your content. Now that you've selected the presentation, you're presented with thumbnails of all the slides within that file. At this stage, you can scroll through all the available slides. This allows you to visualize and carefully choose which slides you want to bring into your current presentation. You may decide to import a single slide, a couple of them, or even all of them depending on your specific needs. And there you have it. The final step is to simply click on the slides you want to import, and they will be seamlessly incorporated into your main presentation. Remember that merging multiple presentations can greatly streamline your workflow, especially for comprehensive projects with multiple contributors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.